Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a small new Dollar Tree haul and Burlington Co-Factory haul. So let's get started first with Dollar Tree. I just picked up a Diet Pepsi again, just to drink on the go because I was walking there because it's like right down the street from my house, so that's where I went. And then I picked up these really nice big colorful water bottles. This is like a royal electric blue. Then I got the smaller one. This is a nice gray. It looks green on camera, but it's actually gray. Then I picked up a nice big green one. And then I picked up another big, because this is a big square, and it has like the grip right here. And they have them in different colors. This is the only one that I've seen that I liked it. I think they also have a pink one, but I like the green. Then I picked up these Echo Tools makeup wedges. It's like a, you know what I mean, like an applicator. It's a contour perfecting applicator. Okay, so you could basically use it for anything. It ain't just for contouring. So I got one of those from Echo Tools. Not bad for $1. And then I found these over there. This is it says it says muslin polishing cloths. So they're polishing cloths, and then it tells you what to do back here. I guess it's like for cleansing your face. I got a big thing of cotton balls again. I picked up this new lipstick. They also have the lip liner. It says gel. Sorry guys, it's hard to see with the flash, but it says smooth application. Yeah, it looks like a pretty pink color. Okay, I see what it is now. This is a Wet n Wild, I believe. Yeah, Wet n Wild lipstick. Yeah. No, it ain't. It's a lip balm. Okay. So that's a lip balm. They also had like a dark orangey and like a brown color. Like a darkish red brown. I don't know. I just picked up one of these. Then these were new at the Dollar Tree. McCormicks. I love McCormicks. They're like the best. I picked up this Bourbon chicken. This was the only one they had. I went through all the boxes of the packets they had there. They had none, just this one. So I got Bourbon chicken. And then the rest were this flavor here, which is beef stew with herbs and onions. And this is good for the slow cooker or basically whatever dish you want to cook it with. So I got 2 bags of the beef stew. Beef stew with herb and onion. That's what they look like. And then I picked up at the Dollar Tree 5 sticks. This was the only scent they had of the St. Ives cleansing stick. I think that there was like 10 left or something like that. I would have took it all and wiped it out, but I decided to leave some there for people. So I just picked up 5 sticks of the cleansing sticks. This actually costs $4 to $5. Sometimes they're $6 each at the Target. So I got those. And then at Burlington Co-Factory, I picked up this big box right here. It says Pure Silver. And this is a collagen infused nourishing serum. But this is like a really, really big bottle. It's a big, heavy bottle of Pure Silver collagen-infused serum for the face. I use serums every day. And then I picked up this big pack right here of the Laura Ashley. It's like a different assortment of hand creams. These are good to take with you on the go or whatever. I'm always using hand creams. Then I picked up this beautiful necklace. It's like a thin gold chain with the rhinestones, and then like all you see is gold. Green, like strips of glass crystals. Beautiful. Very, very flashy. It looks like that. And then I just picked up 2 shirts. It came in a 2-pack. One's black. This is a plain black t-shirt, and the other one's a white t-shirt. So that's basically it. That's all I picked up at Burlington at the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon as always. Have a good day, like I always say, and be safe, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.